FDM Additive Manufacturing, or 3D printing, has become increasingly popular over the last decade, not only for quick prototyping in business, but also at home where it is utilized by hobbyists. When 3D modeling, first you'll need a 3D design. That can be done with either 3D modeling in SolidWorks, or you can go to a website called Thingiverse, which has a plethora of designs that you can grab from there. For this, we're going to grab this simple object, it's called an annoying dice, and we'll first download the STL file, and then we will check it with this 3D viewer, make sure that it is working. After obtaining your 3D model, we'll then import our model into a slicer program. This basically allows the program to break everything down into machine code, that way our printer can understand what axes to be printing. So we'll first import our piece, and then I'm just going to leave it with these basic print settings, but you can go through here and adjust any settings that are needed. So here we'll slice it, and we'll export the G-code, save it. After exporting the G-code, go to our printing program. Here I have pronter face. This will load our G-code in. Once this is in, you can see a simulation or a model of it. From here, you basically just change the heating that you need, and then you're off to the races. You can print. Another application that you can use is called Cura. It's a all-in-one suite. With this one, basically just do the same thing. We'll import our die, and then from here we can change all of our settings on this side over here, slice it. It'll give you an estimated time of completion, and then from there you can either save it as a file, or you can print it if you have it connected to USB.